Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, here we have a question 4 minus 9, then again 4 minus 9, then 9. Okay, so most people solve this question like 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5, then 4 minus 9 is equal to also minus 5. Okay, it is multiplication, then multiply 9. Now minus 5 multiply minus 5 is equal to 25, 25 multiply 9 is equal to 225. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question, according to PEMDAS tool, first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so now 4 minus 9, solve this parenthesis. 4 minus 9 is equal to multiply minus 5, then multiply this 9. Okay, now according to PEMDAS rule, here is subtraction, here is multiplication, and here is multiplication. First we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so this multiplication and this multiplication both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this multiplication, so is equal to 4. Now minus 5 multiply minus 9 is equal to plus 45. Okay, multiply 9. So now here is addition and here is multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition. Okay, so is equal to 4 plus, now 45 multiply 9 is equal to 405. So now 4 plus 405 is equal to 409. Okay, so the correct answer is 409. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.